How to handle child support and custody in San Diego County. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. If you're going through a divorce in San Diego County and have children, two of the most important and emotionally charged issues you'll need to address are child custody and child support. Getting these right can make a huge difference in your co-parenting relationship and your children's well-being. I'll break down how child support and custody work in San Diego County and how you can handle these issues without going to court. Let's start with custody. There are two types: legal custody, which refers to decision-making about education, healthcare, and religion, and physical custody, which determines where the child lives. Most amicable divorces end with joint legal custody and either joint or primary physical custody, depending on the family's specific situation. The court's primary concern is always the child's best interest, and the more parents can agree outside of court, the smoother the process. Next is child support, which is calculated using a statewide formula that considers income, parenting time, tax deductions, and more. In San Diego County, you can use the DissoMaster software used by the courts and attorneys to calculate the support amount. If you and your spouse agree to an amount that's different from the guideline, the court may allow it, but you'll need to explain why it's still in the child's best interest. We recently helped a couple in San Diego who had already discussed a 50-50 custody schedule and agreed on who would cover which expenses. We helped them draft a detailed parenting plan and calculated support using the court-approved formula. Because everything was in order and clearly documented, the court approved their judgment quickly. No hearings, no drama. At Divorce661, we help you handle child custody and support the right way. We'll guide you through the entire process, prepare the correct forms, calculate support accurately, and ensure your agreement complies with San Diego County court standards. And if you're not quite sure how to divide time or expenses, we'll walk you through best practices that work for most co-parents. If you're going through a divorce and want to resolve custody and support issues without conflict or confusion, visit Divorce661.com to schedule your free consultation. We'll help you create a fair, court-ready agreement that keeps your kids' best interests front and center and keeps you out of court.